Experimenting a little bit further with that touch sensor, I've got an EZB gripper on my robot, and I've got the foam inserts, and trying to think of where I could put that sensor to give me a reading of how much it's grasping something in its claw. I couldn't think of a way to add it to the sides of the fingers, so what I made is myself a little spacer, and I kind of lightly taped the sensor flex resistor onto the little spacer, and then used double-sided tape and stuck that to the back of the servo. So right now on the graph, we're hovering at 0, okay, because we're open, we don't have any pressure on it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the robot grab something in a second, and we'll see what it does. I'm still running that same background script with the loop where it tells me to stop touching it once it passes the threshold of 120 for the value here. Grab.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
So we can see on the graph how hard it's squeezing something inside of its hand, and it's past the 120 value.
Stop touching me.
Give. And when the sensor is back to released, back to 0. This is pretty cool. I think it's, this is obviously prototype, just kind of showing what maybe is possible. I'm obviously not controlling the actual pressure on the claw yet, but yeah, good potential here.